Hey guys, so today I'm going to upgrade these closet doors using a peel and stick wallpaper. I'm also going to add some gold handles just to give it a more elegant look. And this process, like most of the other videos on my channel, are the same. You're just going to measure your door. You're going to peel the backing of the wallpaper off and slowly apply the wallpaper. So you just want to make sure to get any air bubbles out. I use my hand. You can use like a credit card or a squeegee. They have kits on Amazon for like $5 that help you do this. But just, yeah, make sure to get all the bubbles out. Also, I would recommend using a blow dryer if you have one to wrap the edges of any door or cabinet when you're using peel and stick paper. The heat actually makes it attach to the surface a lot better, so that's an option. You don't have to, but it does help.